Okay, welcome to part 4 of building a magazine website in Atom using Emmet. In this part, we've got our homepage up, but as I'm about to show you in a second, it looks like not so good in terms of mobile optimization. So we're going to play around with the CSS just a little bit, and we'll come back. All right, so first section I think we're going to tackle is the most recent articles. And if we look, the menu, well, the menu needs some fixing. Okay, so, all right. So actually, the first thing we might want to tackle is the menu. Okay, so let's go down here. The menu's down here. And all right. So we got the top nav. And let's see, let's just take this out. Top nav A, control save, refresh. Okay, so it's good, but this menu kind of comes out here, not looking so great. So I'm going to hit tab and hit top nav, and we're going to change the display to a block. Okay, and all right, see if that does the trick. Hit menu, and it does the trick. Okay, because we don't want the flex display that we have on the larger screen. It looks great on the larger screen, but we want simple menu on the smaller screen, and that looks really nice. Okay, so that's the first part we did. All right, now this is crammed here. We don't want that. All right, so we want to take care of that next. So let's say at media only screen and max width of 600 pixels. All right, and let's make sure I got that right. We can do just media screen. Media screen and max width, 600 pixels. Okay, so, all right. So I'm going to go up here, and the class that we're looking for is recent article. And I'm going to type in .recent article, and we'll say that the width is now 100%. And let's see what that one change does. Okay, so that brings it to the center. Which is nice. We want that. Now the next thing is our team is crammed. So we also want to do .team member, and we'll do the width of 100% on that too. Okay, and that clears up that. So that's looking good. And then the rest actually looks fine. So, yep, and the logo is a little small, so maybe we'll make the logo a little bit bigger. Back up here, .logo, image, let's see what we have up here in the code. Width is 10%. Okay, so we actually want to make the logo width maybe a little bit more. Let's do 30%. Control save. Okay. That looks better. That's about the right size. We can see the logo. We can play with that a little bit. We've got this now looks good on a phone. Okay. All right, so we've actually mobile optimized it, and actually let me pull this back up. Go to full screen, and now we're going to go into the file manager. Okay, so we're in the folder. I'm going to go up one level. Okay, and I'm going to rename this. Well, it's CSS2 because we don't want to get confused. Rename this img2. Okay, PDFs. We'll just rename it. Our other one is PDF. Okay, so we got that, and that. That's renamed. I'm probably going to get those out of the way. This dot well known as our SSL. Connectors, I don't really care about that. HD access, I don't care about the HD access file. Got some other stuff. We had this in modx for a bit, and then we changed it around. I'm going to get rid of that stuff. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up to here, and let's see. I'm going to send it to a compressed zip folder. I'll do wikidgoodnews-zip. I'm actually going to move this over to the desktop here. Okay, and then we're going to upload. Choose a file, desktop, wikidgoodnews-zip. Okay. All right. Actually go up one level and then back down. We're in this one. Yep. Okay, zip.zip. Let's extract. Okay. Go back to Wicked News. Okay. And okay. All this stuff is here, so I want to delete this. So right now, this is what we're seeing. Okay. So I'm going to delete this. Then I'm going to go into this. And I'm going to move this file just up one. Okay, and then move these files up one. I didn't want to do it. Let's go up one level. It's being a pain. All right, so, well, let's take this one, press it, bring it out here. Okay, and let's upload it. And the upload is complete. Let's go up a level, back in, and extract. Okay. Now, let's check. Actually, no, sorry. Okay. All right, so now this is up. And these work. That's good. All right, so we don't have a contact us and about us page just yet. So I'm going to create those over here. Type, sorry, what is the link? Oh, wait a minute. I'm just not going to index.html. Sorry. Contact us.html and about dash us.html. Control save. All right, so we're going to create a contact us new file. .html. Hit exclamation point tab. Create a little skeleton. Let's call this contact us / wicked good news, and we'll type in header here. It says, "Whoa, Billy, this part of the site won't be up until Friday. Hit the back button to go back to the home page." And Control save. And then a new file about us.html. And again, exclamation point tab. Go about us. Wicked good news. And okay, then we'll go header one. Same thing. Whoa, Billy. This page won't be up until Friday. Hit the back button to go back to the home page. Boom. Control save. All right. Down here, I got to choose a couple files, documents, websites, wicked good news, about us. Okay, that's up there. Choose another file, contact us. Okay, and overwrite existing files. Choose file, index. Okay, all right. Whoa, Billy. Okay, so we're gonna hit the back button. Whoa, Billy. Okay, hit the home. I'm gonna go home. Okay, so far we've got this stuff up, and it looks ready. Looks all right. It's mobile optimized, and our site is up. We're gonna in parts. The next parts we're gonna work on the contact us and the about us portion. Contact us will probably be the most challenging, as we want to create something that will a contact form or something like that. But right now we've set up a home page in a little over an hour that's mobile optimized, and I'm pretty psyched about that, and it goes where we need it to go. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next parts where we build the contact us and the about us page. Again, thanks for watching.